Good morning, everyone. We are not recovering well in Eastern Hanover. As it relates to the roofs program, I believe a more comprehensive assessment must be done for it to make sense. A number of persons would have left their communities to find shelter after the hurricane. So I am appealing to the minister to extend that period and continue to do some assessment. There is a lack of communication and dissemination of information when it comes on to the general public. And I can cite instances. Miss Angela from Claremont in Sandy Bay Division went down to Lucy to the launch of the roofs program. She posed on stage with a $500,000 check. You can find her picture on the Prime Minister's page. Miss Angela's home fell to the ground. Her shop fell to the ground as well. But let's focus on her home. Miss Angela received $200,000. Miss Angela went to the office in Lucy, the NS office in Lucy. She was not helped. There must be a better way. There has to be a way to assist persons. If an error is made, there must be a way for it to be corrected. It can't be, we can't help you, nothing can be done, go to your member of parliament's office. Another situation with regards to the roofs program, a lady from Chester Castle, she lost her cell phone. She went to the office, she got no help at all. That lady turned up to my office in tears. We must do better. As it relates to the schools in Eastern Hanover, all 3 high schools have been damaged. No work has started as yet. At Noculva Technical, we have students from grade 9 to 11 attending for 5 days, grade 7 to 9. They're alternating 2 days, 2 and 3 days weekly. Mount Ward School does not exist anymore. School is being kept in a church hall. Hopewell High, no repair has been done. Merlin Otti, no repair has been done. I am appealing to the Minister of Education to come on the ground in Eastern Hanover and do it with urgency. We need your attention in Eastern Hanover. With regards to the shelters, we still have 19 persons in shelters in Eastern Hanover, but we are deeply concerned as the hurricane season is around the corner and over 90% of our shelters are still damaged. Road rehabilitation is not happening. We had deplorable road conditions in Eastern Hanover before the hurricane. Spark program and patching roads in the constituency is simply not enough. Again, our roads were very bad before the hurricane. Places like Milestone, Jericho to Cascade, Maryland, Cash Hill, Ramble, Flint River, through Cold Spring to Woodsville. These are areas that need urgent attention. It is not fit for daily commute. As it relates to electricity, most of the constituency got back electricity. We only have a few areas in Chester Castle Division and one area in Hopewell Division, Woodsville, that is still in darkness. We have noticed a trend in Eastern Hanover, and I must highlight this. We are on the ground. We know the areas where most of the citizens would have voted for Jamaica Labour Party. We know the areas as well where they would have voted for the People's National Party. In areas like Bessie Baker and Axandaz, Pumpkin Bottom, those are strong JLP areas. Beneficiaries have received their monies. I am asking you, Minister, what about the other areas? What about the people in the other areas, in the other PDs, regardless of who they voted for? they are still waiting. When Hurricane Melissa came, it did not knock on doors inquiring about political affiliations. It didn't. Before it disseminated, families were displaced. We have persons who still have tarps on their houses. I am asking you to pay attention, Mr. Prime Minister, to all of the people of Jamaica. I am the Member of Parliament for Eastern Hanover. I am not the Member of Parliament for the citizens in Eastern Hanover that voted for the People's National Party. I challenge you, Mr. Prime Minister, and his cabinet to do same and take care of the Jamaican people. Thank you.